Hey folks, we are continuing our series on the functions from the string package in Golang. Just to remind you why we're doing this, you are likely to get a coding interview question. You're likely to get a coding interview as part of the DevOps interview process. And if you do, you're likely to get a programming question. And if you do, you're likely to get a string-based algorithm question. And you don't want to start writing code that's already there for you. So if you use the functions that are already available to you, you can solve the problem quicker, smarter. Quicker, smarter. Okay, so we're familiarizing ourselves with the main, most useful string function from Spring package. Here we go. So we've already covered up to the last video, we covered up to repeat and replace. So we're going to do split and ToLower. These are the two functions. Now, if you find this video useful, please do me a favor and subscribe. That will help me out. All right, split. So I would imagine split just splits a string into maybe an array of strings. Let's see. Let's go to our handy dandy documentation, and we're going to look up split. Oh, there's more than one split. Let's see, split. Yeah, exactly. Text in a string splits them using whatever you use. It's like a cut command in Unix. You tell it what makes. So if I have ABC space DEF space whatever, if you say, hey, space is what makes different words in the string, then it will split the string into multiple strings and put them in the returning array of strings. That is pretty intuitive. So let's go with that. Okay, so let's say the string that we're going to split is S1, and the string that we're going to put into the array of string is S2. So this is our code from last time. So I kept it there so I don't have to retype bunch of stuff. So we will say this is, instead of being a string, it will be a string. Last time I tried to do this, it complained. So okay, that's cool. It didn't complain this time. Now, let's give this S1 a value, okay? So S1 equals, I don't know, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, whatever, and space will be our, what's called a delimiter, right? So now we're going to say S2, which is array of string, is, replace all this stuff. This time we're going to use the function called split, okay? And we're going to use S1 as our original string, and our separator is going to be space, all right? And then we're going to print S2. Now, no complaint, that's awesome. So let's save that. Clear the screen, and run our program. Okay, here you go. So it gives me an array of strings, or a slice, A, B, C, D, E, F, like that, and it used space as delimiter. Now, what if we said, hey, K is delimiter, right? So it's going to give me a funny set of strings, but it should still work. It doesn't have to be space or tab only. It should be anything. Yeah, you see what happened here? You see? This is one string. All the way, it found K, and then it found K, so then it added three more words that are just empty because there's a word here, word here, word here, because K means it's a new word, right? So yeah, that makes sense. Now, we are going to do what other function? Oh, two lower, two upper. That is too easy. So we're just going to say let's look at S3. For S3 is also a string, and S3 will be strings package, we're not going to use trim, we're going to use ToLower. There you go. Okay, ToLower. I don't know why I did that. And ToLower S1. Okay, because that's the string, right? And now we're going to say print S3. Now, what that's going to do is put everything in lowercase. But here it's already in its lowercase. So nothing should change. Now, why is it complaining about S2? Is it not used or something? Yeah, not used. Fine. So we will comment that out, or just delete it altogether. Really, to be honest with you, we don't need it. We don't need this either. Let's get out of here. Let's save that and run the command. Nothing changed because everything was already lower. So let's give A, and let's make this capital D. Save it, right? If we run it, everything got lower. Now we can also do, you can guess, to upper. Everything will become uppercase. Save that, run it, and boom, everything is uppercase. Okay, so we went over two functions from the strings package. Why? Because strings package is super important to answer algorithm questions in a coding interview that has to do with strings. Hope this was useful. If it was, please subscribe and I will see you in the next video.